welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious horchata that you can enjoy at any time, at any moment. So in case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 8 cups of water, 2 cups of white rice flour, and you guys, this is going to be our shortcut for our horchata, and it's also going to help us have it ready within minutes. You're going to need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of Mexican vanilla blend, 1.5 cup of sugar, and 1 cinnamon stick. Now these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step is to create our simple syrup. So I'm gonna set my stove on high heat, and I'm going to add 4 cups of water, and the 1.5 cups of sugar, and our cinnamon stick. So I'm just gonna let that come to a boil, and then we can get started to our delicious horchata. Alrighty guys, so it's been 5 minutes and our water is already boiling. So now I'm just gonna turn it off and set it to the side and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and now my simple syrup has cooled down. So we're going to move on to the second step. Alright guys, so now for our next step, we're going to add our rice flour into our blender. And it's 2 cups. Okay, we're also going to add our cinnamon stick. And we're going to add 2 cups of our simple syrup. So now we're just going to blend it, and yes. Alright guys, so once it's well blended, we're going to strain it into our pitcher. Okay, so now we're just going to strain our base. It smells so good. So we're just getting all the big chunks of cinnamon. Okay. So once you get all of your liquid out, okay, that should be good. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so now we're going back to our blender and we're going to mix our condensed milk . Along with our simple syrup. So we're just gonna give it a quick blend until everything is mixed. Alright guys, so once it's blended like that, we're going to add it into our base. Alright, so we're going to use a strainer just to get all the leftover cinnamon out. Okay, good. And now we're going to add our evaporated milk. Our 2 tablespoons of the Mexican vanilla blend. And the rest of the 4 cups of water. So now we're just gonna mix it. And you can try it to see if it's, sweet enough for you or if it needs anything else. But to be honest, I think at this moment, it should be perfect and super delicious. So I'm just gonna add ice, and then that's basically it. It should be ready to be served and enjoyed.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete.
Alright guys, and now for the best part. Super delicious every time, so refreshing. And you guys, one thing to keep in mind is that every time before you serve it, make sure that you mix it, because otherwise, you know, all the mixture gets sit in the bottom. So just make sure that you mix it before you serve it. And he also makes about 1 gallon, you know, of horchata. Alright you guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious horchata. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or Twitter. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And also, you guys, let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite agua fresca that you like to enjoy in the summer days. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer.